So guys, we're back working on that Briggs and Stratton Quantum series. You're going to need 5/16 for this. You just slide in there. And the problem with the other one was there was no brass fitting, so it wouldn't tighten. So when you get this air box on, make sure you get the breather tube or the ventilation tube for the crankcase or whatever it is. Here, let me take the camera real fast. If you can see it down there, make sure it's just connected to the air box. And then once you do that, you can slide your cover back. Sometimes it's kind of hard, but I'll hand it to my cameraman again. Here you go. And I'll show you how you install this. It's pretty easy. There's just a little nub in the back, and you just slide that in. And you need, instead of using like a socket, you need a just Phillips head, and you use these type of screws. And yeah, it just threads into plastic, so also don't tighten these too hard. Just, sometimes you gotta find the hole, but yeah. So this is a 6 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. So yeah, that's all it is really to it, and you'll probably see another video on this. I still gotta hook up this right here. I gotta customly fit it, but yeah, this thing is done pretty much. It needs to get painted, but unfortunately, guys, I was gonna make a video on a normal style Quattro series Briggs and Stratton engine, but unfortunately, the footage, it was just too long, so I couldn't upload it, and it wasn't that good anyways, really. It was just a diaphragm style carburetor, but I've had 3 of those mowers, and you guys didn't even get to see the other one. I just sold it for $60, so I got like $50 for it, only $10. This one's getting sold right here for like $30. But yeah, so that's probably gonna wrap it up. So as always, peace. See you in the next one.